Hey there! Welcome to another exciting video on our channel, where we talk about all things related to success in the new trending workforce. In today's video, we're going to dive deep into the tips and tricks that will help you become successful in the modern world of work. As we all know, the world of work is changing rapidly. Gone are the days when you had to spend most of your life working for one company, climbing the corporate ladder, and retiring with a gold watch. Today's workforce is all about flexibility, creativity, and adapting to change. So, if you're looking to succeed in this new landscape, here are some tips for you. 1. Embrace technology. Technology is transforming the way we work. From remote work and video conferencing to AI and automation, it's essential to embrace the latest advancements if you want to succeed. Make sure you're up to date with the latest software, apps, and tools that can help you work smarter and more efficiently. 2. Focus on your skills. The days of a traditional degree leading to a successful career are long gone. Today, it's all about your skills. Make sure you're constantly learning new skills, staying up to date with the latest trends in your industry, and taking courses and workshops to improve your skill set. 3. Build your network. Networking is critical in today's workforce. Make sure to attend industry events, join online communities, and connect with professionals in your field. Building relationships can help you gain insights, find new opportunities, and get ahead in your career. 4. Be flexible. In today's workforce, flexibility is essential. Be open to new opportunities, embrace change, and be willing to take on new challenges. The more adaptable you are, the better equipped you'll be to succeed in the future. 5. Make a plan. Finally, make sure you have a plan for your career. Set specific goals, create a timeline, and track your progress. Whether it's starting your own business, climbing the corporate ladder, or transitioning to a new field, having a plan can help you stay focused and motivated. So, there you have it, some tips for succeeding in the modern world of work. Remember, success is not just about working hard, it's also about working smart. With the right mindset, skills, and strategies, you can achieve anything you set your mind to. But, before you go, let me leave you with one final thought: never stop learning. The world of work is constantly evolving, and the only way to stay on top of the game is to keep learning and growing. So, keep pushing yourself, keep experimenting, and never be afraid to try new things. If you enjoyed this video, like it, share it, and subscribe. Until next time, keep hustling, keep growing, and keep succeeding in the new trending workforce. Thank you for watching.